Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 ECE paper. A plant transfer function is given as g of s is equal to kp plus ki by s into 1 by s into s plus 2. And when the plant is operating in unity feedback configuration, find the condition of stability for the closed loop system. Condition of stability is generally specified with the help of Routh-Hurwitz criteria. Routh-Hurwitz criteria. Okay, so Routh-Hurwitz criteria requires a characteristic equation. Characteristic equation is 1 plus gh is equal to 0. So generally, if you look at closed loop transfer function is g by 1 plus gh. So characteristic equation is nothing but denominator of closed loop transfer function, and that you have to make it as to 0. So when the denominator of closed loop transfer function is equal to 0, then that will be treated as characteristic equation. We require a characteristic equation. From that one we will find the stability using Routh-Hurwitz criteria. So first we will simplify this g of s first. So g of s can be written as kp divided by s into s plus 2 plus ki divided by s square into s plus 2. S square into s plus 2. So this is kps plus ki. So this is simplified open loop transfer function, and given unity feedback, so it has hs is equal to 1. Now we will calculate g by 1 plus gh. Since h is equal to 1, it is equal to 1 by 1 plus g itself. Then finally you are going to get, after simplification, kps plus ki, kps plus ki divided by s cube plus 2s square plus kps plus ki. So this is the closed loop transfer function you will get. From this one we can write the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation is simply equating denominator is equal to 0. That will become characteristic equation. So characteristic equation is s cube plus 2s square plus kps plus ki is equal to 0. Now use Hurwitz criteria for this one. Routh-Hurwitz criteria, where we are going for the maximum order, first s cube, next s square. So this will be 1, 2. We are writing the coefficients 1, 2, and next it is kp, this is ki. So s power 1 is 2 kp minus ki divided by 2, and s power 0 is simply ki. So stability is going to be specified from the Routh-Hurwitz criteria, that it says if the elements in the first column are all positive, then the system is stable. Okay, for stability, the first column is nothing but this one. In the first column of Routh-Hurwitz table, if all the elements are positive, then the system is stable. So now this is not given directly as the real elements, so we need to find the condition. Since it is belongs to kp and ki values, so based on kp and ki values, they should get as positive, so that we can say that one system is stable. So from this one, from S0 row, we can say ki, if it has to be positive, so it must be greater than 0. And from S1 row, the value of 2 kp minus ki should be by 2 should be greater than 0, which means 2 times of kp minus ki should be greater than 0. So 2 kp should be greater than ki, otherwise kp should be greater than ki by 2. Okay, so and ki must be greater than 0. So the entire condition is going to be, for stability, kp must be greater than ki by 2 and ki by 2 must be greater than 0. Then the system given by this open loop transfer function with unity feedback will be stable. So the right answer for this question is A. kp should be greater than ki by 2, that should be greater than 0. Thank you.